My Airbnb guest trashed my apartment.
Don't worry, it's a clean plunger. It's not even from the toilet. Ugh. Progress.
They broke the bed. I found out this was dog. Really, bro?
Because guests supposed to be checking in a couple hours.